We celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, a significant milestone in India's journey towards financial inclusion. Launched on August 28, 2014 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this flagship financial inclusion program has transformed the way of millions of Indians to access essential financial services. The key highlights of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, a decade of financial inclusion. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was launched with the vision of providing accessible and affordable financial services to every Indian. Over the past decade, it has successfully established a foundation for inclusive economic growth by offering basic savings and deposit accounts, remittance services, credit, insurance, and pension schemes. Ambitious targets. As we look to the future, the government aims to open over 3 crore new accounts under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana during the 2024-25 financial year, ensuring even more individuals benefit from this transformative scheme. Empowering lives. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has been pivotal in providing adults with bank accounts, which has facilitated direct benefit transfers, COVID-19 financial assistance, and support through schemes like PM Kisan. It has truly been the bedrock for people-centric economic initiatives. The JAM Trinity. The synergy of Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and Mobile has revolutionized the direct benefit transfer program, extending its reach from partial coverage to nearly universal access. No hidden cost. Under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, account holders enjoy the advantage of no account opening charges, no maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements. They also receive a free RuPay debit card with a built-in accident insurance cover of Rupee 2 lakh and access to an overdraft facility up to Rupee 10,000. Comprehensive benefits. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts are not only a gateway to financial services but also qualify for various schemes such as direct benefit transfer, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana and the Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Bank Scheme. As we celebrate this decade of progress, let's acknowledge the profound impact of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana in empowering millions of Indians and driving inclusive growth.